Addition with regrouping.
Add 58 and 316.
One of them equals 10.
Yes, one is 10 and this is 100. So when we see this, we see 100, right? And when you see this one equals 10. And when you see this one equals
1.
1. Okay, now let's look at our problem here. They are saying add 58 and 316. So on the 100 side, we don't have 100, right? So we only going to put the 5 tens here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, which represents what? 50. So there are 8 ones. We're gonna put the ones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 ones and how many tens? 5 tens. 58, right? And then we're gonna go to the next one is 316. So how many hundreds do we have?
3.
1, 2,
200.
3. 110. We're gonna put it here. And how many ones?
6.
6. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And remember we discussed that when you add, you start with the ones.
Remember guys, always start with the ones.
So we're going to group all the ones together, right? And we count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
14.
So if they go beyond 10, we're going to take this 10 and put it on the 10 side. And then we put it in here. And then how many are we left with? How many ones?
4.
We are left with
4.
4 ones.
Now we're going to count the tens.
How many 10s do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to put what? 7 here. 70.
Now that we're done with the tens, we can go on to the hundreds.
We have how many hundreds?
3.
300s. We're gonna put 300s like this.
That means the answer is 374.